Have you ever wondered what blockchain is? In the world where data is the new gold, blockchain has emerged as a buzzword, creating waves in the technology and finance sectors. But what exactly is it? Simply put, blockchain is a type of database, but unlike traditional databases, it stores information in distinct units known as blocks, which are then linked or chained together in a public ledger. This unique structure ensures that once information is recorded, it's nearly impossible to change or manipulate. What sets blockchain apart is its inherent transparency, decentralization, and security. Every transaction or data entry is visible to all participants, fostering trust and accountability. Moreover, its decentralized nature eliminates the need for intermediaries, ensuring direct peer-to-peer interactions. So, in simple terms, blockchain is a secure, transparent, and decentralized database. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now you might be wondering, how does this blockchain thing work? Well, let's dive right in. Picture a ledger. This ledger isn't stored in one place, but rather it's shared across a network of computers. Each new piece of information, whether it be a transaction or any other type of data, is entered into a fresh block. Think of this block as a page in our ledger. As more information is added, the block fills up. Once it's full, it's time to add a new block to our ledger. But here's where it gets interesting. This new block isn't just placed haphazardly. No, it's meticulously chained onto the previous block. This forms that beautiful chain of data we know as the blockchain. But how is this chain kept accurate and secure? I'm glad you asked. Every time a new block is added to the chain, the entire ledger, every block, is updated and verified on all computers in the network. It's like having a room full of accountants cross-checking each other's work around the clock. This collective validation ensures the security and accuracy of the data. So, to put it simply, the blockchain is a continuously growing ledger of information, verified by a network of computers. It's not controlled by any single entity, making it decentralized, secure, and incredibly efficient. Therefore, the blockchain operates by recording and verifying data in a decentralized and secure manner. So, what have we uncovered about blockchain? Let's recap. We've learned that blockchain is essentially a type of database, except it stores information in a series of blocks that are intricately linked together. This unique structure makes blockchain stand out from traditional databases. One of the key features we discussed is transparency. In a blockchain, everyone participating in the network can view all transactions, fostering an environment of trust and accountability. This transparency, combined with its decentralized nature, sets blockchain apart. There's no central authority. Instead, control is distributed among all participants, making it truly democratic. Then there's security. Remember, once data is recorded in a block and added to the chain, it becomes near impossible to alter. This immutability gives blockchain its robust security, a feature that's highly valued in this digital age. But blockchain isn't limited to these features. Its potential applications are vast, extending beyond the financial sector. It's making waves in healthcare, by securing patient data, and in supply chain management, by providing end-to-end visibility. So the next time you come across the term blockchain, you'll know it's not just a tech buzzword, but a groundbreaking technology with the potential to revolutionize numerous sectors. And remember, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.